Your entry door is more than just a functional feature, it's a focal point that sets the tone for your home's style, security, and energy performance. In Scottsdale's warm, sunny climate, choosing the right entry door involves balancing aesthetics, durability, and energy efficiency. Here's a detailed guide to help you select the best option for your property. Consider Scottsdale's climate. Scottsdale experiences intense sun exposure, high summer temperatures, and occasional monsoon storms. Your entry door must withstand these conditions without warping, fading, or losing efficiency. Fiberglass doors resist warping and are highly durable in extreme temperatures. Steel doors offer excellent security and durability but may need heat-reflective finishes to prevent heat transfer. Wood doors bring classic charm but require more maintenance to prevent sun and moisture damage. Choose materials that can handle prolonged UV exposure while maintaining structural integrity. Prioritize energy efficiency. With Scottsdale's long, hot summers, your entry door plays a role in keeping cooling costs down. Look for Energy Star-rated doors with insulated cores to reduce heat transfer. Consider low emissivity, low-E glass panels if you want decorative windows in your door. Weather stripping and proper sealing are essential to prevent air leaks. A well-insulated door helps your HVAC system work more efficiently, improving indoor comfort. Match your home's style. Your entry door should complement your home's architectural design while reflecting your personal taste. Modern homes benefit from sleek designs with clean lines, often in steel or fiberglass with minimalist glass inserts. Southwestern and Mediterranean-style homes often pair beautifully with rich wood tones and decorative ironwork. Transitional designs can mix traditional paneling with modern finishes for a balanced look. The right style enhances curb appeal and adds value to your property. Focus on security. Your front door is a primary point of entry, so security is a must. Opt for solid core doors with reinforced frames. Upgrade to high-quality deadbolt locks and strike plates. If your door includes glass panels, choose impact-resistant or laminated glass to deter break-ins. Security features should be integrated without compromising the door's appearance. Choose the right color and finish. In Scottsdale's bright sunlight, color choice affects both appearance and performance. Light colors reflect heat better, helping maintain a cooler interior. UV-resistant finishes prevent fading and peeling. For wood doors, choose a high-quality sealant to protect against drying and cracking. The finish should enhance durability while complementing your home's exterior palette. Professional installation matters. Even the best door won't perform well without proper installation. A professional ensures correct fit to prevent gaps and drafts. Secure mounting for optimal security. Proper alignment for smooth operation over time. An expert installer will also recommend the best hardware and sealing options for Scottsdale's climate. Final thought. Selecting the best entry door for your Scottsdale property means finding the perfect balance between style, durability, energy efficiency, and security. By considering local climate conditions, architectural style, and quality installation, you'll invest in a door that enhances curb appeal, protects your home, and stands the test of time.